welcome back to the channel. Today's video is called 100 English Words in 10 minutes, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be teaching you 10 English words grouped by theme with quick examples so you can learn fast and remember them. So without further ado, let's get started into the video. Here are 10 everyday English words. Time, day, work, home, people, life, water, food, family, friend. Example sentence: people need water, food, family for a happy life.
Example paragraph. Every day we manage our time between work and home, trying to balance responsibilities and happiness. People around us shape our life, and simple things like clean water and good food keep us healthy and strong. Our family gives us love and support, while our true friend stands beside us through every challenge and success.
Section 2. Happy, sad, angry, excited, tired, worried, relax, confident, cool, calm, relieved, curious. Example sentence: I felt excited and confident for my big speech.
Some days I feel happy, but other days I may feel sad or even angry when things don't go my way. Sometimes I get excited about new opportunities, yet I feel also tired after a long day and worried about what might happen next. However, I try to stay relaxed, confident, and curious about life, and I remind myself to stay calm no matter what emotions come my way.
Section 3. Action words. Go, come, make, do, see, look, tell, ask, try, think. Example sentence: try to do your best and think before you act.
Example paragraph 3. Every day I go to new places and come back with new experiences that make me wiser. I do my best in everything I see, and I always look for new opportunities. I tell myself to stay positive, and I ask others for help when I need it. I constantly try to improve, and I think carefully before making my important decisions.
Section 4. Useful adjectives. Big, small, strong, weak, fast, slow, easy, hard, good, bad. Example sentence: even small steps can lead to big results.
Even though the world feels big and we sometimes feel small, we learn to be strong even when we feel weak. Success may not always come fast, and progress can sometimes be slow, but nothing truly easy ever feels as rewarding as something hard we work for. Life brings both good days and bad days, but every experience helps us grow.
Section 5. Nature words. Sun, moon, sky, rain, cloud, wind, tree, river, mountain, ocean. Example sentence: the sky was clear and the wind felt soft.
Example paragraph 5. The sun shines brightly in the sky during the day, and the moon appears at night, often behind a cloud. Sometimes rain falls gently while the wind blows softly through every tree. A river flows peacefully from the mountain to the ocean, showing the beautiful and constant movement of nature.
Section 6. School and learning. Book, lesson, study, learn, teacher, student, answer, question, test, subject. Example sentence: if you study every day, every test becomes easier.
Example paragraph 6. In school, every student opens a book to follow the lesson the teacher explains. We study every subject carefully so we can learn new things. During class, we raise our hands to ask a question or give an answer, and we prepare well for every test so we can do our best.
Section 7. More verbs. Help, use, need, start, stop. Move, build, write, read, listen.
Example paragraph 7. When we start something new, we sometimes need support, and friends can help us. We use our skills to build confidence and move forward. We write our ideas, ready to gain knowledge, and listen carefully to advice so we know when to continue and when to stop.
Section 8. Everyday nouns. Phone, car, road, room, table, chair, bag, key, money.
Example paragraph 8. I grabbed my phone, picked up my bag, and found my key before leaving. I got into the car and drove down the road. When I arrived, I opened the door, walked into the room, sat on a chair, and placed my things on the table, hoping I had enough money for the day.
Section 9. We have just 20 more to go, so this is going to be a quick fire. Love, hope, dream, goal, plan, change, chance, choice, mind, heart, point, energy, power, future, past, present, success, failure, problem, solution, progress.
Now, finally, the very last paragraph. With love in our heart and hope in our mind, we dream of a bright future while learning from the past and living in the present. Every goal needs a plan, every chance requires a choice, and every problem has a solution. Even failure gives us strength, energy, and power to continue, and with effort we always make progress towards success.
Now, if you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below which words you would like me to do next. And without further ado, we'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye!